Hello everyone, how are you? And I'm hoping that you all are fine and enjoying my videos. So before I start my class, I want to just ask you, are you practicing whatever the chapters I'm teaching to all of you? If you're practicing, that's very good thing. If you're not practicing, so start practicing. Because practice makes man perfect. So without practice, you cannot improve, you cannot enhance your fluency. So your effort will definitely bear a fruit. So if you really want to enhance your English, so start practicing and keep learning. So once again today I have a very special class for you, like apostrophe s versus possession. Actually apostrophe s, it's been 2 days since I've been teaching all of you apostrophe s chapter. But now today my target is possession. Possession in the sense, possession is the noun of possessive. That is called adhikar. Same thing, adhikar. And what we learn in apostrophe s, what we learned in apostrophe s, adhikar. Adhikar in the sense कि राम का चाचा या फिर सुनील के मामा या सुनील का दादा. तो that means you are showing your adhikar on somebody, संबंध और अधिकार on somebody. So same flavor this possession word will bring. It means if you do not want to use apostrophe s, so in place of apostrophe s, one more chapter is like apostrophe s, like possession. So let me create small frame. In this frame, I'll put very special things. Like see here, possession is noun. Possession is noun. It means it is noun. So I'm going to make it adjective. So पोजेशन का एडजेक्टिव हो जाएगा POSSESSIVE, पॉजेसिव. एंड इसको वी विल डिवाइड इनटू टू. एक को बनाएंगे एडजेक्टिव JECTIVES, पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. एंड हियर पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन PRONOUNS, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So as possession becomes possessive and possessive becomes possessive adjective and possessive becomes possessive pronoun, so both are having similar composition, but difference is use का difference है, वरना both are from same composition. And what are the composition? Look at that. Here what kind of words will come under adjectives? Like my, your, are, their, his, and her. These all are called possessive adjectives. Let's make the pronoun of these all adjectives. Like mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, and hers. Look at that, the list of possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. If I talk about Hindi, then मेरा, तुम्हारा, हमारा, उनका, उसका, and उसका या फिर उसकी. Right? Both are same. Both Hindi, the Hindi of both words are same. Right? The Hindi of both words are same. And if you see the composition, you will see the Hindi of both words is same, like मेरा, तुम्हारा, हमारा, उनका, उसका and उसका. Let's talk about the Hindi of possessive adjective. If you want to know the Hindi of possessive adjective, the Hindi is संबंधवाचक विशेषण, संबंधवाचक विशेषण. And if you talk about the Hindi possessive pronoun, then अधिकार वाचक सर्वनाम. Both are from same composition. Just wait. Sarvanam. Right. Both are from same composition. And how do we make sentences? Let's see that. What we learn in apostrophe as का, की और के. जैसे राम का पिता या राम की टोपी या फिर अजय का वाटर बॉटल, ऐसे. तो हम डायरेक्टली कह सकते हैं कि जैसे राम की बॉटल, तो राम इज हिज, लड़का है तो हिज बॉटल, राइट. मैं कहूँगा बलजीत इंस्टीट्यूट, तो आई कैन से माई इंस्टीट्यूट, राइट. हम कहते हैं विजय और अजय के नाना, तो विजय और अजय के नाना इन द सेंस दो लोग हैं, दे, तो दे हो जाएगा देयर दादा इज कॉल्ड पैटर्नल ग्रैंड फादर, सो देयर पैटर्नल फादर. लुक एट एग्जांपल like my father. What is in Hindi? मेरे पिताजी, मेरे पिताजी या फिर मेरे पापा. Like her NEPHEW, her nephew, यानी उसका भतीजा. In this way, sentences will be created. So, my father, your father, his father. In this way, you can also show your adhikar, your relation with something या somebody. और ध्यान से एक चीज देखो, यहाँ पर का की पहले से एडेड है. देखो उनका, उसका, उसकी, जो कि एपोस्ट्रोफी का मीनिंग है का, के, की. तो आप डायरेक्टली एपोस्ट्रोफी से मैं यूज करके डायरेक्टली आप माय फादर, योर फादर कर सकते हो. बट अभी मैंने पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउन को यूज नहीं किया. इसको यूज करने के लिए थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट यूज है. जैसे यहां पर फादर ऑफ माइंड, सेम मीनिंग, यानी यहां पर लिखा माय फादर, देन फादर ऑफ माइंड. यहां पर हर नेफ्यू, देन NEPHEW, नेफ्यू ऑफ हर्स. तो माय फादर, फादर ऑफ माइंड, हर नेफ्यू, नेफ्यू ऑफ हर्स. ऐसे हम बहुत सारे सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं. आर कंट्री, कंट्री ऑफ आर्स, राइट. हिज मोबाइल, मोबाइल ऑफ हिज. इन दिस वे लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जांपल्स कैन बी क्रिएटेड. और रिलेटेड टू दिस देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू बी टाउट which I will bring for you in my next classes. So today actually power has cut and it's too hot to make video, so I am finishing my video. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. See you. Take care of yourself and do practicing. I'll see you in my next video.